baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like my new what's it now? My new intro that I did. Anyways, I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY, and I'll be making some display tables. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright everyone, I got these wood sayings from Dollarama. They have nice little sayings on them, but they're perfect for the legs for my table. So I'll be using these as legs. And I got this mirror from Dollarama, but you can also get them from Michael's or even use the Dollar Tree mirrors. It will be the same, the little small ones. And I got this sign here, be strong and courageous. We're using that for the tabletop. And we have our mirrored sheets here. And we have some bling, the different sizes that you can get from Walmart. I got these ones from Dollarama. And we have our Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. I might be using this flower wrap also from Amazon. We have some glitter and some Mod Podge. And we have the spray paint, black spray paint from Walmart, or you could use the acrylic black paint. And we have our tools. And we have our E6000 and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, I painted the legs black, which I lost the footage, which I'm so sorry about that. But I just painted them black. So now we're going to add the bling wrap to the legs, which I am just lining up with this one because I spaced them out. So I'm going to just add the blings going around the other legs that we'll be using.
Now it's a different love. I'ma love it better now. I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me. Girl, I got you beside me. I'ma love you better now. Baby, let's celebrate now.
And now we're going to take our sign with the glitter and the Mod Podge, and we're just going to add the glitter going all the way around, just the outsides. Now that our glitter is dry, we're going to take our mirrored sheets that I already cut down into strips using our X-Acto knife, you guys. And we're going to use the E6000 to place them down. And we added our mirrored sheets, so now we're going to add our big piece of mirror onto the top of our board using the E6000 and our glue gun. Now if you don't have one large mirror, use the 4 square mirrors from the Dollar Tree, also equal to this one mirror that you could use, and put it in the center. Now we're going to put our legs down onto our board. So we're going to use the E6000 and the glue gun and place our legs down. And then we're going to have them sit there overnight to make sure it's dried really nice and firm.
Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through it, hurricane. When I had you, I was okay. I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. You beside me.
And here's our finished look, you guys. Our glam and display tables. I think they turned out really nice. Now I made these two little tables for my daughter. For her room, she wanted two little tables to place some knickknacks on. So I came up with this idea for her.
Now I got a much different frame of mind. Switch it up. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine.
I love the bling gems and the mirrored going all the way around and the big mirror on top. With the glitter, I think it looks very nice. Now it's not to place anything too heavy on it, just for little knickknacks, which I think it's perfect for. And I kept it in black because her bedroom set is black, so it matches very nice. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think about these. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
Crazy. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, you beside me.